Have you ever felt exhausted after spending hours cutting your lawn every weekend? It can be tiring, time-consuming, and sometimes frustrating when the results aren't perfect. Imagine if there was a way to make your garden look flawless, neat, and beautiful without all that effort. Modern grass-cutting machines have completely changed the way we take care of our lawns. With just a push of a button, you can transform your outdoor space into a fresh, perfectly trimmed area that feels like a golf course. Cutting grass used to be a challenging task. People would rely on hand tools or basic mowers that required hours of hard work. And even then, the results were often uneven and messy. But now, technology has brought us machines that are not only efficient but also incredibly easy to use. They save time, reduce effort, and make maintaining a lawn a much more enjoyable experience. It's fascinating how a simple machine can turn a boring chore into something almost fun. A grass-cutting machine, commonly known as a lawnmower, is designed to trim grass evenly and at a consistent height. This consistency is key for keeping your lawn healthy and looking amazing. A well-maintained lawn not only improves the appearance of your home but also creates a peaceful, inviting outdoor space where you can relax or spend time with family. Whether you have a small backyard or a large garden, there is a machine that can meet your needs perfectly. There are many types of grass-cutting machines available today, each with its own advantages. Some machines are simple and manual, requiring physical effort but offering eco-friendly operation without the need for electricity or fuel. Electric mowers are quiet, easy to use, and ideal for small gardens, providing a smooth and efficient cut. Battery-powered mowers add convenience, offering a portable, cordless experience that allows you to move around freely without worrying about cords or fuel. Petrol-powered mowers are powerful and perfect for larger areas, capable of handling thick and tall grass with ease. And the most impressive are robotic mowers, which can be programmed to mow automatically, even when you are away, controlled entirely through a smartphone app. The convenience and technology these machines bring are truly remarkable. Before using any mower, it's important to prepare your lawn properly. Clear away stones, sticks, and other debris to prevent accidents and ensure a smooth cutting process. Always wear protective gloves and footwear, and set the cutting height according to the type of grass in your lawn. Operating the machine on dry grass not only makes the process easier but also ensures better results. Regular maintenance of your mower is essential to keep it running efficiently, including cleaning the blades and checking for any wear or damage. Maintaining a lawn goes beyond just mowing. Consistency is key. Cutting the grass at least once a week keeps it healthy and prevents it from becoming overgrown. Avoid cutting too much at once, as removing more than a third of the grass height can stress the plants. Over time, sharpening the mower blades will ensure that each cut is clean and precise. Proper care and maintenance of both your lawn and your machine will lead to a lush, green, and healthy garden that stands out beautifully. Grass-cutting machines vary in cost, depending on their type and features. Simpler manual mowers are affordable and perfect for small spaces. Electric and battery-powered mowers are mid-range options, offering convenience and efficiency. Petrol and robotic mowers tend to be more expensive but provide professional-grade performance and advanced features. Investing in a quality mower is worth it, considering the time, effort, and long-term benefits it brings to your lawn and your overall outdoor experience. Ultimately, a good grass-cutting machine is not just a tool. It's an investment in the beauty and health of your garden. With the right machine, taking care of your lawn becomes easier, faster, and more satisfying. Your lawn can finally achieve that perfect, lush, and green appearance you've always dreamed of, creating an outdoor space you'll truly enjoy. Taking a few minutes every week with the right equipment can make all the difference, transforming a chore into a simple, even relaxing part of your routine. With modern technology, the dream of a perfect lawn is now completely achievable.